Hey guys, how's it going? So I was just wondering, how much CO2 do I need to pump back up my rear tyre for my Dualsport? I only managed to get some of these. I think they're 16 grams, yeah. I got 5 of them. So I think the first thing we'll do is we'll check the pressure on the rear. Then we'll let the air out. We'll get straight into it. Let's find out. Okay, so what is our pressure we're looking at? If I can get it in there. What's that say, guys? It's like 20, 21, 22 psi. Alright, so now we've got the baseline. We'll let the air out and see how much 5 cartridges gives us. Alright guys, so that's all the air out. This took about a minute or so. Let's check the pressure. There you go. 0. So what we'll do now is we'll go out to the bench and we'll figure out how to use this, because I've never used it before. Feel free to give me advice if I do anything wrong. So let's get doing that. Alright, so I picked this up on eBay quite a few years ago, so I'll put a link in the description. It does have an off there, so we'll make sure that that's in the right position where we screw these on. This comes with this little sleeve thing. I assume it's going to be quite cold. So first attempt, never done it before. Let's see how we go, eh? So I want to get it down to the bottom before it pierces the hole, and then just quickly do it, I assume. So let's do that. Now is that, it must be, that's all the way there. So let's put this and see if we can get some air in the tyre. Alright, let's see how much pressure the first cartridge gives us. We'll double check. Hopefully that's not going to leak too much. Oh no, it's not, because it's closed, so that's all good. Nice and tight. Alright guys, ready? Here we go. It's not leaking too much, is it? I hope not. Oh, that could be a failed attempt. See if it gave us any pressure. Otherwise I'm going to have to actually do some research to figure it out. I'll go get the gauge. Alright, here we go. What have we got? Sounds good. Oh, 5? Oh no, that's 7 or 8. Okay, so we'll put another couple in and see what the results are. Geez, that does get damn cold, doesn't it? That's completely frozen. Look at that. Some of you guys are probably thinking, of course it does, but it's quite interesting to see in person. It's bloody cold. Alright, second one. Number 2. There's some weird noises, isn't it? Should probably put that sleeve back on, I forgot about that. Two cartridges has given us 16. Not too bad. So we'll do one more, and might almost be enough. Alright, so I think this is probably going to be enough, hopefully, which is good news. There we go. What's that say? Can't see from the angle, but it looks about 21 something. That's awesome. That's better than what I expected, to be honest. So I think I'm going to carry these around for my emergency backup. I've got the tube, the levers, CO2, so I should be good to go. Alright guys, that should conclude the video. I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching guys.